Hey everybody, welcome back to DeHaven Family Farm. Today we're going to ted all the hay that we mowed in the previous nighttime mowing video that I published. Just going to get you a few shots today. Overall, this field in particular, this is the one that I planted last year. I did a bunch of videos on it, disking and all of that stuff. I was very happy with how it came back this year. I actually could have let the field sit a little bit longer and it would have been a little bit thicker. But I mean, a lot of the spots were 4 foot tall, so I was happy with that. So we've got good weather for the next few days, so we'll ted this a couple times, get it dried down, and then there'll be a raking video for you. So come along for the ride today and enjoy the video. And thanks for watching. We're in the last field, only a couple passes left here to do, and I want to share with you guys a little surprise that I found back in the first field. This lovely chewed up block of wood. In the first field that we started with by the tarp hay bales, I usually park stuff there, hay wagons and whatnot, so I must have left that block of wood there, and I didn't move the hay wagons till probably 2 days before I mowed, so everything was 3 or 4 feet tall there, couldn't see it. I don't believe it did any damage to the mower because I mowed a bunch of fields after I did that one. I mowed that one first, so just one of those things, my fault, but at least there was no damage done. So I'm going to finish up this field here, last couple passes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, the footage here with the M4 and our turbo tedder from Pequea. Stay tuned. We're going to have raking and baling videos coming up, both small square and round baling. And also I think the next time that I do some tedding, I'm going to do a video discussing tedding in general. I've gotten a lot of questions in the past about should you ted, why do you ted, benefits, things like that. A lot of people I found on YouTube that watch do not ted hay. So, I mean, everybody's operation's different. Nobody says you have to, but I just think, again, next time I do a video when we're in the field tedding some hay, I think we'll have a brief discussion about the benefits in my area and what I found tedding hay versus, you know, not tedding hay. So stay tuned for that video if you're interested in some more details about that. Thanks for watching, everybody. Please do not forget the subscribe, thumbs up, and the little bell icon there so you don't miss future videos. I hope you enjoyed, and I hope to see you on the next video.